All right, Kipsters, I'm going to walk you through how to use the simulation. You are not actually going to go ahead and do this, but I wanted a video to be here in case that helped you visualize what was the step-by-steps that I was doing in the Google assignment. So here on my left, I have the steps that we're going to be taking in the first mission of the Google assignment, and then I have my Amplify weather pattern simulation already pulled up on my screen. So I'm going to follow step 1, launch the weather pattern simulation. I already have it launched up here. We know how to get there from the 3 bars, but since you are not going ahead and doing this on Amplify, no worries about that step. Step number 2, click the 3 white bars in the top left corner. So I'm going to go up, I'm going to click the 3 white bars. This panel is going to pull out. Step 3 then says select regional weather 1 mode. I'm going to go ahead and select regional weather 1. Load regional weather 1 mode, yes. Now my screen looks like this. I have sunlight to surface up here, and I have surface water down here. Step 4 says explore sunlight to surface features. What that wants us to do is just to move this toggle and see what changes. So when I put sunlight at 0, there's no arrow. There's a skinny arrow at 1, a thicker arrow at 2, 3, 4, and then 5 has the thickest arrow. I want you to think about, what does this arrow represent? Then step 5 is explore the surface water features. Again, I'm going to work through each number to see what happens down here to my surface water. If I'm at 0, it looks as though there is no water. There's a little bit of water at 1, 2, 3, there's a lot more water. I'm seeing more water on the surface. And 5, it looks as though that could be a large lake. Again, I want you to think about, what is this surface water representing? Now, I'm going to set my sunlight to surface water and my sunlight to surface and my surface water. Then I am going to press run. Here's what I want you to watch. I see the yellow arrows coming down, hitting the surface water, and then all of a sudden these numbers down here begin to change. When that goes red, it then moves up into a cloud, and now I start to see rain coming from the cloud. I'm going to do that one more time so you can see step by step what is happening. So now I'm going to again press run. I see that the yellow arrow is coming down. It is hitting the surface. Then all of a sudden it says temperature after warming, 30 degrees Celsius. Once it hits this red temperature, now the air starts to move up, it becomes water vapor in this cloud, and now I'm starting to see rain.